Namaste and welcome to Simply Simple Cooking. Today we'll be preparing Moong Dal आणि Paticha Kandaची भाजी. Coming up. For those of you who are seeing me for first time, I am Akshay and my channel is all about making simple but equally delicious food. Today I am going to show you how we can make a yummy sabzi or a veggie out of spring onions by mixing them with some moong dal. So let's check out the ingredients. For this spring onion recipe, I have taken one bunch of spring onion. I have chopped them. About half a cup or 100 to 125 grams moong dal. Then around half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or rye. Half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder or how much ever spicy you want your recipe to be. Pinch of asafoetida or hing. And how can we forget some salt to taste. That's all what we require. Now let's start cooking. So let's take a pan and add around 2.5 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, let's add half a teaspoon of jeera and half a teaspoon of rye or mustard seeds and also a pinch of asafoetida or hing. As the mustard seeds start sizzling, just add in the spring onions. Give them a stir. Then let's add the spices. In goes half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix them well. Now you have to allow the spring onions to be cooked in the spices so that we won't have the raw smell of the spices. After around 3 minutes, just give it a stir. Our spring onions are cooked and let's add the moong dal. Well, now mix it well. Finally, let's add salt to taste and give it a stir. Do not cover the pan once again, because if you cover the pan, the moong dal will cook and become a big lump. Well, after about 5 minutes, yes, our moong dal is cooked. So let's take it off the gas. Wow, look at the color. Well, our Paticha Kandachi bhaji is ready. You can enjoy this with some chapati or even dal rice. So wasn't that simple, guys? If you have liked my recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also do consider subscribing. You can do so by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon which is right next to it so that whenever I upload a new video, you always get a notification. Do try this recipe at home, and if you do, please don't forget to share your experiences and any other variation if you have in the comments below. I would love to hear it from you. So this was it, guys, from me in this video. See you again next time in my next video. Till the time, you keep experimenting with food, share it with your friends, and don't forget to enjoy. Take care.